Welcome back to another video, guys. So in today's video we're talking about Fibonacci, how to use our Fibonacci tool to know our possible level of retracement, our possible retracement level in the market. For example, we want to sell on a downtrend. We want to know the possible level at which the market could retrace to before a continuation to the overall market direction. So we can see that we got the market giving us this sell-off, this downward move. So we want to know our possible retracement levels, our possible levels we could take our sales, a kind of a continuation, a sell continuation in the market. So what we do is we identify the swing highs and swing lows of the market, the current swing highs and swing lows. Okay, let's say this is a new swing high that formed and this is our new swing low at this point. Okay, let's identify it with these two. So it will be easier. Okay, let's say this is our swing high at this point and our swing low at this point. Swing high basically at this zone, swing low at this point. The Fibonacci tool will help us identify our possible level of retracement for a sell continuation. So we have to match up the swing high with the swing low. You can see we got the market retracing at the 61.8 level at this point. We have two level of retracement, two major level of retracement, our 50.0 level and our 61.8 level. After the market gave us a sell-off, creating the swing low, it gave us the retracement back to our 61.8 level that gave us the sell to the downside. So you have to identify this our retracement level to check the possible level at which the market could retrace to. And you can see it's also matching up with our level of resistance, a level of support that turned resistance at this point. You can see the market bounced off this level as a support, now broke below its resistance, and the resistance level matched up exactly with our 61.8 level. So who sold the market at this point will definitely make good profits by using only the Fibonacci tool and identifying the market direction. So that's it for this particular swing highs and swing lows. So we have to identify new swing highs and swing lows. So let's say this is our swing high at this point, a new swing high. Remember this was our last swing high and now we got a new swing high at this zone and we got a new swing low at this point. A new swing low at this point here. So let's match up our Fib retracement tool to check if this retracement that we had here is matching up with our 61.8 level and our 50.0 level. So let's check. So our Fibonacci tool, swing highs to swing lows, you can see is nowhere close to it. See our 50.0 level, it didn't even match up with our 50.0 level. It instead came to our 38.2 level and gave us a sell-off, which is not a good retracement. So we have to focus on the 61.8 level and the 50.0 level. You can see it's also matching up with our level of support at 100 resistance, and this zone didn't even give us a proper test of our support level that got broken, like resistance. You can see, okay, let's declare this. You can see it didn't even give us a proper retest, and our 50.0 level is at this zone and our 61.8 level is also at this zone. So we can say this is not really our trade because we didn't get the retest as well as the retracement level we were expecting the market to get to. So that's it for that one. So let's check another swing highs and swing lows. Okay, so we got a new swing low at this point and a new swing high at this point. The swing low here and the swing high at this zone. So let's match up our Fib retracement level, and you can see the retracement that we got at this point. These are retracements. You can see the sell-off. So let's check if this retracement is matching up with our two retracement zones, our 61.8 level and our 50.0 level. So let's check our swing highs to our swing lows. You can see is exactly matching up with our 61.8 level and our 50.0 level at this point. You can see at this zone. So let's identify it with our tool. And it's also matching up with our level of support that got broken, turned resistance. You can see a level of support at this point got broken, resistance also matching up with our 61.8 level. So it is a nice sell from this zone. Taking a sell here at this point would give us good profit. It's a good trade opportunity basically. So let's go to the lower time frame. This Fibonacci can be applied on any time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, any time frame, even the 1 minute time frame. Can apply our Fibonacci tool to identify our possible level of retracement. So let's go to the daily time frame basically to check the market formation on it. Okay, let's use this current market move at this point. You can see the market direction, a downward move. Then our focus should be on the sell side of the market. So to match up our swing highs, our swing high at this point and our swing low at this point. We got our swing low at this point. So let's check our possible retracement. You can see our retracement zone. You can see the retracement market gave. This is the retracement before they sell. So let's check if this retracement is matching up with our Fibonacci level. So let's check from the swing highs to the swing lows. You can see exactly, though it gave us a further move before the sell-off, and is also a good level. So you can see at this point, after the retracement, breaking this our 61.8 level, let's identify it basically. let's identify our 61.8 level. The market gave us a move to it. I didn't give us a sell-off on the touch of this our level. You can see after the move out of this our level, it gave us a break, then a proper retest of it to tell you how powerful these our retracement levels are. Like the market still came to confirm this our 61.8 level as our possible level of retracement. So you can see after the retracement, you can see the market sold off, yeah, which is a nice level. So that's it for this particular retracement. So let's check the swing highs, the next swing highs, and the next swing lows. And we got the next swing high at this point, the next swing high at this point basically. So let's check, okay, from at this point and the next swing low at this point. Yeah, see the swing high here and you see the swing low at this point and see the retracement that we got. So let's check if this retracement is matching up with our 61.8 level and our 50.0 level. So let's check. So from the swing highs at this point to the swing lows, yeah, nice 50.0 level and 61.8 level. Didn't really give us a touch on this our 61.8 level, but it's still good, like it's a close move to it, and also a proper test of our 50.0 level, which is perfect. Yeah, so let's identify this our zone at this point. You can see it's also matched up with our level of support that got broken, turned resistance, swing high, swing low identified, retracement level 61.8 level and 50.0 level, which is perfect. So the sales, taking the sales at this point will give us a good profit. You can see the market sold after these retracements, like the retracement, then we can see the sell off. Yeah, so let's check another time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, to see our possible level of retracement and our zones. We're using this particular market direction, but we can see this clearly on the lower time frame. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see how it looks. Yeah, so here we got this market direction, an upward move. So we have to look out for the buys in this case to identify our swing highs and our swing lows. You know, so we got our swing high at this point, and our swing low at this point, our swing low at this point. Remember, we are in an uptrend, so we have to look out for buys. Our focus on the buys of the market, so we have to match our swing lows to our swing highs to check our possible level of retracement. You can see we got this 1.8 level at this point, perfect. So let's identify it. Also, level of resistance that got broken turned support. You can see the market give us this retracement level. After the swing high formation, the market didn't really give us a test on this our support level. You know, some people will be like, they'll be selling on the break of this our resistance level, like resistance turned support, buy at this point. If you have to buy at this zone, you'll be stopped out basically, because you can see the market is pushed further to the downside to contest our 61.8 level for a good buy to the upside. So who matched up this our level for a good buy zone will definitely make good profits at this point. Because point of interest would be on the 61.8 level for a good buy. You can see the market goes retracement at this zone, then they move to the upside, which is perfect. So that's how we make use of Fibonacci 2 to identify our possible level of retracement. Let's check our next swing lows and swing high. We got our swing low at this point and our swing high at this point too. Yeah, and we got the retracement at this zone. You can see this retracement. Let's check if this is the possible level of buys. So let's match it up from the swing lows to the swing highs. Whenever we want to identify our possible level of retracement in an uptrend, we will match the Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs. You know, but whenever we want to check our possible level of sales in a downtrend, we match the Fibonacci 2 from the swing highs to the swing lows to know our possible level of retracement. You know, so we got these swing lows at this point and we're on an uptrend, so we have to match it up from the swing lows to the swing highs. You know, the swing lows at this point, then the swing highs at this zone. Let's check our possible level of retracement at this point. Perfect. Yeah, this is 1.8 level here, so we have to wait for the market to give us a further move to this our zone for a good buy opportunity. At this point, we'll be watching out for price action at this zone for a good buy on step index, because we have seen the market give us a move to this our zone, but didn't really give us a test on this our 61.8 level. So we could see a further move to this zone, you know, to come give us a proper test of our 61.8 level before we could get the buys to the upside. So we'll be watching closely on price action at this box, on this box for a good buy, because I matched up our Fibonacci 2. I have seen our 61.8 level at this point, so be waiting patiently for price to give us a move to this zone, then watching closely for price action like a reversal pattern or a candlestick formation, you know, for a good buy to the upside. So that's how to apply a Fibonacci 2 when looking out for trade opportunities in the market. If I'm to take this trade, I'll be giving you guys an update on how the trade played out. So thank you guys for staying true to the end of the video. Please remember to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for always engaging my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.